That's what we're taking out. In, you already see. And we're gonna get these out. Center pops out first. All the way around. So 14 push pins later, and this little, I'm gonna get me out of trunk jail. This just pops out. Move it up the ladder where it's, move it up the ladder where it's thinner. This can pop right out. Now, do you have to get that out? There's no tools required. These are a little tricky. These I don't like because it's actually easier pulling the carpet around it away. The carpet's just about out. You see? You see? I would actually remove it this way, and I'm gonna show you why. It's just easier because some of these don't actually pop out as easy as this. Where'd it go? So these have little push pins that don't want to cooperate all the time. So getting the carpet from around it is easier sometimes, but this one decided to come with. So easier for me and you. And now let's see how we get these lights out. Looks like 10 mils and 10 mil. Look at this. Why such a big plug? Squeeze as hard as you possibly can because Nissan is terrible with their squeezes. And then you pull out. You see? Now everything undone. Here's your light. Cool. Now is there a part number so I can take it with the other one? Or probably not. Look at this. Look, so they give you a part number on a sticker. Let's see if we can make this out. I mean, you have got to be kidding me, dude. Like, it's on a piece of paper. In the elements, by the way. This does get wet. And how does anyone expect to see what that part number is? I mean, this is just ridiculous. That's funny. Let's see if the right hand does the same thing. Absolutely. It's on a piece of paper that is out in the elements, and you cannot make that out. Awesome. Open says me. So there you go. Let's put them back. Oh, and don't forget to plug them in. Yeah. These are kind of tricky putting them back in because the hole is just a hair. You see, just be careful. And there you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.